Hi guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with a haul video. I might have some old stuff in this haul. It's like a collective haul, but I wanted to start out with the stuff that I got most recently because it might still be there and available for you guys to get it. And the thing I wanted to share with you guys is this Hello Kitty WetnWild anniversary collection, I guess you would say. I got this on WetnWild's website. I think it was about I got it on Ulta's website. I think it was about $50 or $60. But you get a whole bunch of stuff and it comes with this cute like little tin bag, and it has little handles so you could take it and travel with it. It's just so cute. So I thought, I love Hello Kitty stuff. I never watched cartoons. I think like when I see like the Hello Kitty at Dodger Stadium, I think it's kind of creepy, honestly, but I just like you know, the regular Hello Kitty like print stuff. So yeah, so you get a bunch of stuff in it. Here is, and sorry about the reflection, but here's what it's looking like. I'm gonna open it up so that way, yeah, you don't get that plastic reflective stuff, and I'll share with you everything that came in this bundle. And we could swatch some stuff. I'm about to leave. We're gonna go to the movies right now, so I'm gonna try to do this kind of quickly. Sorry about the shaking. So the first item in here I'm gonna pull out is the sponge. It is so adorable, and I don't know if I want to use it. It's so cute, but I probably will. Because there's no sense in letting it sit here and collect dust. But look at that. It's just adorable. It's so cute with the little bow and everything. Oh my god. Okay, so maybe I will display it for a little while and then I'll eventually use it, but I thought this was so cute. I put it back in the little packaging here. The next thing that came with it, this, I might try it. I'm kind of scared though. It's glitter mascara and it's pink. I think maybe in the summer or maybe spring, I'll try this out. I'm not gonna use it right now. It's like winter, maybe New Year's Eve, maybe it's a possibility, but it's cute. It's pink. Let's look at the wand. Actually, let's open it up and look at the wand. He might be, oh, it's a really thin wand. So maybe I could put it like on false lashes, the glitter. That would look kind of pretty. Okay, and then it comes with a cute little keychain. I was watching someone's vlog. It was, can't think of her name right now, but I love watching her channel. She's over in, where is she at? Oh, I can't even think, Australia? But she went to Japan, and everywhere she went, they gave her a little keychain, and I thought this is just so cute. They do that there. I can't wait to go to Japan. We're supposed to go this summer, but we'll see, because you know, I just want to make sure everything is good to go with money and stuff before I purchase my tickets. But it came with also a eyelash curler, which I don't use that often, eyelash curlers, but it came with a cute little pink one. I wonder if I should try it. Let's see if it fits my, because I know some work better than others on your eye shape. I didn't curl my lashes. I've been using like a tubing mascara. Ooh, it's sticking. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god. It's gonna rip out my one lash I have. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna do the other eye because that tubing mascara is very sticky. And you should curl your lashes before you put your mascara on, if you didn't know. Okay, let's pull this little layer out so you can see. So it has like, so there's a layer here and then there's another layer there. But I'm still on the top layer of items that it came with. It came with a powder. And sorry about the noise. And I'm not going to edit this video just because I don't have space, but it comes with this powder. It's made in China. It has 6.5 grams of powder. And what else can I tell you? It's made by Markswin Beauty Brands Inc., City of Industry in California. Okay. And it has this cute, like the packaging is kind of like iridescent. And it's just a pink powder. I do have a Huda pink powder, so I'm curious to like if it compares to that. I'll let you guys know later. I'll do get ready with me. And then it has this cute little hand mirror. Very, very cute. And it looks similar to the bow on Hello Kitty. It's like that glittery jelly kind of little bow. Very cute. And that was the first layer. The next layer, you get everything else because there's nothing else underneath. So this is everything else. The first thing I pulled out is a blush, and it has a cute little bow, but this is just like a plastic to like hang. But yeah, it has Hello Kitty. So cute. It's very cutesy. And you get, let's swatch it. I want to swatch the blush. If I could open it. My fingernails are so weak right now. Here we go. WetnWild packaging, actually it's not my nails. It's the WetnWild packaging is always kind of like hard for me to open. I don't know why. Here's the blush. So it's very light. It might be like, I don't know. It's like an ombre blush. So it's lighter up here and then it's darker down here. So I might just get along better with the darker part because I am very tan. And then it comes with a highlighter. And here's the highlighter. It also has that little hanging plastic on it. But I am not a store, so I am not going to hang that. And I will rip it off probably eventually. And let's swatch this highlighter. You get 2 shades. You get like 3 shades actually. You get like a frosty pink, a frosty, and then a pink shimmer. Let's swatch all of them. And that's what they look like. Oh, there's a blush right next to them. But there you go. They're very pretty, very pigmented. And this one, it might be an overspray. I know WetnWild is known to do oversprays, and then underneath it might just be the other two. Not an overspray, but like a little bit. It might have the other. I'm curious because when I swatch it, it looks like it changed a little bit, the color of this highlighter. If I keep going, if it's gonna run into the other two, which I'm thinking it will. But yeah, so that one's very bam. Very, very white. There was one little plastic part, and then there's a palette. But let me show you the lippies and stuff first before I get into the palette. There's actually an eyeliner. It's a shimmer liquid eyeliner, and it's, let's see, does it say color? Kawaii is the color, and it's, okay, so it's a brush on. Let's see. It's a pink. It's so pretty. Okay, so there it is. I don't know if that's, let me try to make it thick for you guys to see it. There is the eyeliner. Very, very pretty. It's a pretty, pretty pink. I think I'm gonna have to do like a get ready with me using these because these are so cute. And then here are the lippies. I think they're lippies. Yeah, one's a glossy lip stain. Sorry, you hear my kids are like trying to get ready for the movies. There's one of them. And this one is called So Dreamy. So Dreamy. It feels really nice, like a real jelly. And then I have Cheers. And this is a liquid eyeshadow in Cheers. So that would be perfect, you guys, for like New Year's Eve party or just like hanging out with family. Like usually like us, it always seems like a party with family. So even if it's not like anything real big, like a small get together, but there we go. It's kind of like a topper. So it could go on top of probably these eyeshadows. And then you get a lip oil. And the lip oil, it's glittery. It's like a silver. In the tube, it looks silver. Sorry about all that shaking. I really like the packaging though. It's very nice. Ooh. It's it looks really glossy. Let me see. Yeah, I think this is perfect for New Year's Eve too. There we go, silver or Christmas. It's silvery. I don't know about that for me, but yeah, there's that. And then you get a lip mask, and it comes with a little pink spatula. I'll probably just put everything right back, so I'm gonna leave the spatula in there. I'm trying to see if it smells like anything, but there's the lip mask. It's very nice. You get 9 grams. It's pretty good size. It's like a full size Laneige maybe. I'm not sure how many grams are in those, but it says 50th anniversary on the little bow. It has a 50, so cute. And then, okay, so here's the palette. I think maybe I'm just gonna unbox this, you guys. I'm kind of not feeling well, like, I don't know. Today's my first day of Thanksgiving break, and I always get sick on the breaks. It's like my body knows when I can rest and you know, just deal with all the things. So I feel like I'm getting sick. So I'm probably just gonna cut this short after I swatch these. And then maybe tomorrow I'll come back with another haul video until I haul everything that's piled up here, which it's a lot and it goes months back. So it's mostly, I think, BoxyCharm and Shop Miss A stuff. So stuff that I was just like, I want to buy it, and then like I don't use it. So here we go. Here's the palette. You get 4x4, 16 eyeshadows. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. You get a glitter, and then the rest, it looks like, are shimmers. So let's swatch the first row. They look very light. On my skin, they're very light. I have a little paper towel right here. Okay, that one of them's kind of dry. This like iridescent one feels kind of dry. Maybe it's 2 glitters because the iridescent one looks more glittery than anything. That one. Ooh, and that one looks like a duochrome because in the pan it doesn't look orangey like that. It looks white. And there you go. There's another iridescent, like white kind of shade. And that one was quite creamy, the one right here. They don't have names. They don't have names. They have numbers on the back, just typical Wet n Wild. Oh, I kind of went out of order. I did one twice, sorry. This last one, you can't really see it. Let's see if I could do it again. But I had done it up here. Then I did it again down here. I'm horrible at swatching, but there's what 3 of the rows look like. I'm gonna double it up. I have shorter arms, so I can't get it all on one. This one's pretty dry, this pinky, but let's see. Ooh, that pinky one is very pretty. I dug a lot out on that one, but there we go. There's the shadows. Sorry, I'm kind of in a hurry because, you know, my phone never has enough space. But yeah, that's the palette. It's gorgeous, you guys. I'm looking forward to this pinky one. This one that has a lot of like pigment, shimmer, payoff. And then these like iridescent ones are really pretty. This one here is really creamy, you guys. It's like a Super Shock. Very creamy, pinky, pretty. I think with that eyeliner, it'll go great. And yeah, I am not disappointed with this palette. I think maybe the mattes are a little too light, but like in the spring and summertime, I think they're gonna be perfect. Just like a no makeup look with a lot of these shades. And then you could glam it up with the pinks and the glitters. So yeah, I'm not disappointed about this collection. It is so pretty. And this is the first collection I've bought, I think, this whole year. So I'm very excited to have it and grateful that you know, I can afford it and things like that. But yeah, so I think that's still available. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. Thank you so much for coming by and watching this unboxing with me, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.